Hi there, this is the Sending Rays 3-card gift pack. I'm going to show you everything it comes with, and we're going to take a closer look at these beautiful cards. Inside, you'll receive 3 cards from the Sending Rays collection of your choice, and they all come individually packaged and just beautiful and very, very high quality. They also come with the envelopes, of course, and we'll get more into this in a minute. You'll also receive 3 Sending Rays logo sticker, which is also great for sealing your envelopes, along with an acrylic stand to tastefully display your card, and then of course 3 George Morrison Forever Stamps. George Morrison is a founding figure of Native American modernism and is best known for his abstract landscapes representing the space where sky and water meet. So these forever stamps include scenes recalled from his Ottawa childhood play along the shore of Lake Superior. Sending Rays owner Cindy Timmer has a beautiful story and states that in 2018, timing and searching took on new meaning after my cancer diagnosis and treatment at nearby Cowell Munson centers. Increasingly, I found myself searching for cards not only to say thanks to my professional caregiving team, but to also share with fellow cancer survivors my own feeling of hope that transcends, like rays passing through and beyond. So Sending Rays cards are made with redesigned cardstock, which allows for more translucent photo inserts that can be backlit to reveal a radiant and enhanced image. Now, Sending Rays cards are perforated along the crease, so it's going to allow the recipient to detach the front and display and backlight the front of the card, and it's absolutely beautiful. So this is great for in front of windows to allow the sunlight through, and it really lights up the image. This also comes with an acrylic stand, so it's perfect for tastefully displaying this piece and bringing the beauty of northern Michigan to any space. So each card really shows that magical moment of the sun's rays streaming above, on, and through the waters of Lake Michigan. It's the inspiration for all of these backlit photo cards, and this is just a stunning set that's sure to last and make a beautiful statement for any recipient.